Hey, Day and on my vlog. And I am currently on my way to Georgia. Actually, I'm currently on my way to the airport. It is dark 30, and I'm gonna get to the airport about an hour and a half early. I hope. I still gotta park and then get registered. Next step will be getting through security. And I did a video before this one, and it deals with bringing your drone on the aircraft. So, from what I understand and what I've been reading, as long as your batteries are less than 100 watt hours, you should have no problem. And having one in your drone and two spare. So we're going to find out exactly how accurate all that's going to be. So stay tuned and we'll see how simple it's going to be to get through TSA. I'm almost at my final destination. Alright, my final destination is over there. And the only thing that concerns me is the fact that, you know, it's Easter weekend. So I don't know how many people are flying out. Parking lot outside looks pretty full. ROC. It's gonna take me around. I think I'm gonna park inside, so I'm gonna wait and see how full the inside is. I'm not doing weekly, so I think I'm gonna go in and see how. Gotta find the right one here. Weekly parking lot, Friday. To wait and see. I'm gonna go. I think I'm going straight in. Daily, $16 a day. So I don't think I'm gonna take that. I'm not gonna worry about it.
To raise the gate. Proceed to your parking space.
There it is. Okay. Ah. Too far away. Alright. Okay, I'm coming back up on it. Now.
Welcome. Press the flashing button to dispense your parking ticket.
Okay.
Remove the ticket to raise the gate. Proceed to your parking space.
Okay. Level 1 open, 2 open, 3 open. It's nice. I don't think we're right on live. I see a parking spot right there. Come back around to B1. I don't mind climbing stairs. There, it looks pretty full. Yeah, I got one right here. Of course, here's how quiet everything is. Because I'm driving a... Alright. Okay, we are here. Make sure I remember everything. Okay, everything's turned. Make sure everything's unplugged here. Turn my keys off. Remember where I put my keys. Alright. Sounds pretty quiet. So I'll leave my ticket right up here in the window. Everybody's looking. Right. Okay, we made it. Keys on me. Still gotta get my stuff out of the back. Make sure I got everything off up there that I want to get turned. Make sure everything's off. Alright, I got 3 bags. 1 bag I'm gonna check, and the other 2 bags I'm gonna carry. Alright, so I am parked in. I want to get back. I may have to use the video. C1 West over. Okay, C1 West on the right hand side here. Now again, we're going to see how hard it's going to be, because this will be a kind of a combination of altitude as well. We'll see how hard it's going to be to get my drone through security. Somebody's got a black Stang sitting here. Nice. Beautiful. All right, let's go. All right, go underneath. Okay, we're on the escalator. Heading up towards the ticket area. I'm gonna see how surprised I'm. Okay, we're not looking too bad as far as going through the security side. I still got some walking to do. Okay. Let's self-check-in, but I'm gonna go. Baggage drop. Yeah. See what we do. I'm gotta get into my phone anyway. Get my confirmation number. All right. Say again?
Atlanta, Georgia.
That's I'm going home actually. Thank you, sir. Fortunately, it's only for 3 days, and I'm coming back. Let me take the old ones off. This bag's done the same routine before. Atlanta to Georgia, and Georgia back to Atlanta, back to here. So.
We do that with bags that are able to get through security.
All right, thank you, sir. All right. So now just head to security, or you gotta. So what do I do now? We got. That's the boarding pass. So I'm all set. Okay. Boarding pass. Everything looks. Everything. All right, everything looks good so far. Got my boarding pass, and now we're gonna head through security. Normally you'd stand out here and wait for somebody to say goodbye to your family and friends. So we're gonna see. So now we're gonna find out exactly how hard it's gonna be to get through security. Okay, everything looks good. Delta's flights, North Charlotte. There's the one I'm taking. Atlanta, going out at 6 a.m. And let's see. Flight number. Across Atlanta, flight 847. Right. Okay, let's go stand in line. Make sure I got my. Just do this. Boarding pass in my back pocket. Okay. Boarding pass. And my bag ticket. Pickworks. Guess it really don't matter which way you go. This will go. I guess I'm gonna go to the right. 2, 3. Okay, see how we do. Attention, U.S. service members. Terry will no longer be able to scan their common access card lanes. See, pre-check members should be done with the DOT. Okay. Shut this off down here. Okay, so somehow or other I was in the wrong lane. So now you got to go back over here. But you're still going to need your boarding pass and your some sort of photo ID. So let's go this way. See what happens. Oh, maybe that's if you're got pre set up to do that. So I guess this side's for general public.